Hi MJC student, here's how to set up your TimelyCare account. The TimelyCare app can be downloaded for free in the Apple Store or Google Play Store. The TimelyCare website can be found at this address or accessed via Canvas. From MJC's homepage, click Canvas. You won't see it from your main dashboard, but once you click on any of your classes, the TimelyCare icon should appear at the bottom of the left menu here. If you've never used TimelyCare before, you can easily create a new account. Just enter your student email in the open box under email address and press continue. This will take you to the YCCD login page. Enter your information like normal. You'll then be asked to enter your sex, physical address, and contact phone number. And here's your TimelyCare homepage. You have access to free therapy and counseling sessions, virtual or by phone, either by appointment or on demand if you'd like to speak with someone right away. Just click Provider Care in the left menu here. Click on Talk Now for same-day support, which is a 20 to 30-minute visit, or select Counseling to schedule a 50-minute appointment and build a relationship with a consistent therapist or counselor. Mark what you'd like to be seen for and if you prefer phone or video. Make sure your correct phone number is selected here. Select an available provider here and a date and time here if you're scheduling an appointment. Then confirm. Or if you've selected the Talk Now option, you'll be taken to a virtual waiting room where a counselor or therapist will be with you in about 5 minutes.